Divide 692 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 9 and it is 29. 4 times 7 is 28. On subtracting, we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. On subtracting, we get 0. So 692 divided by 4 is 173. So this much for today and thanks for watching.